us discuss fractions and decimals part 1. You have learned fractions in earlier classes. The study of fractions included their types, 4 math fundamental operations, comparison of fractions, equivalent fractions, representation of fractions on the number line, and ordering fractions. Now first we discuss type of fractions. First type, proper fraction. The first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. Proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. Example, 3 by 4. Here 3 is numerator, 4 is denominator. Here 3 numerator is less than its denominator, 4. The second one is 4 by 5. The next one is 7 by 9. So on. The second type is improper fraction. Second type is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is equal or greater than. Example, 7 by 4. Here numerator is 7, denominator is 4. So numerator is more than its denominator. 7 by 4. Second example, 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Next example, 8 by 3. So on. The third type of fraction, the last type of fraction, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. A fraction, when expressed as a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction, is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a fraction when expressed as a combination of a natural number and proper fraction. A combination of natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Example, 1, 2 by 3. Here 1 is a natural number, 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. The next example is 3, 4 by 7. 3, 4 by 7. The another one example, 5, 1 by 9. 5, 1 by 9. So on. Now we move to 4 fundamental operations, math fundamental operation. Here is the first one is addition of fractions. Now we discuss with example. Here, the first example, addition, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. In the first step, we took LCM We know that we took the LCM for denominators. Here the denominators are 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. The next step, here 3 by 5 and 2 by 7 are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So in like fractions, if both the fractions are denominators are the same, so such type of fractions are like fractions. Unlike fractions are those the denominators are different. So here these two fractions are unlike fractions. So that's why 3 by 5. Here I will multiply and divide. 3 by 5 into 7. I will multiply both numerator and denominator with 7. 7 by 7, that is equal to 7 3 21 divided by 7 5 35. 21 divided by 35. The second fraction 2 by 7. Here I will multiply and divide 5 by 5. So 2 by 7 into 5 by 5. So that is equal to 5 2 10. 7 5 35. Now 21 divided by 35 plus 10 divided by 35. Now these two fractions are like fractions because so both the denominators are same. That's why these two are like, these two fractions are like fractions. So now 35 is LCM. We add numerator 21 plus 10. Sum of these two is 31 divided by as it is 35. The sum of 3 by 5 and 2 by 7 is 31 by 35. Now we see the one more example. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. In the first step, we find the LCM for the denominators. LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. Here is the working column, how it becomes 10, 5, 2. So I will divide 10, 5, 2 from first 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 will not divide from 2 because 5 is an odd number, 2 is an even number. So that's why 5 write as it is. Then 2 1 2. Now 5 comma 1. Now I divide these two numbers by 5 from 5. 5 1 5, 5 1 5, 1 as it is. That's why now I will multiply all these numbers. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 2, 10. So 10 is the LCM. Now I will add 7 by 10, 7 by 10 as it is because 10 is LCM. Now plus, so 2 by 5, 2 by 5 into, I will multiply this fraction from 2 and divide from 2. 2 by 2 into 2 by 5. So 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10. So now 4 by 10 plus 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10. The third fraction here 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I will multiply 5 and divide from 5. So 3 by 2 into 5 by 5. 3 by 2 into 5 by 5. So that is equal to 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. Now 15 by 10. Now all these three fractions are like fractions. So the 10, 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 15 by 10. So now 10 is the LCM. Now 7 plus 4 plus 15. Now this sum is 26. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15, 26 divided by 10. Then the sum of 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is 26 divided by 10. Now we move to second math operation, that is subtraction. Here the second mathematical operation, that is subtraction. 5 by 7 minus 7 by 11 is subtracted. 7 by 11 from 5 by 7. Again, in the first step, took the LCM. So LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. Because both 7 and 11 are prime numbers. So then their product is a LCM. 7 and 77 is the LCM of 7 and 11. In the second step, so here we are working on how it becomes 55 by 77. I will multiply and divide from 11. 5 by 7 I will multiply from and divide from 11. 5 by 7 into 11 by 11. So 5 11 55 divided by 7 11 77. So 55 divided by 77. So here 55 divided by 77. The second fraction, 7 by 11. 7 by 11 I will multiply and divide from 7. 7 by 11 into 7 by 7. 7 7 49 divided by 11 7 79. 77. So 55 divided by 77 minus 49 divided by 77. Now 77 is the LCM. 77 is the LCM. Now we subtract 49 from 55. 55 minus 49. 55 minus 49. Their difference is 6. Their difference is 6. 6 by 77. The difference of 5 by 7 and 7 by 11 is 6 by 77. One more example here. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. These two fractions are mixed fraction. So in the first step, first we convert into improper fraction. So I will multiply whole number, natural number, and denominator. 2 8 are 16. The product we add to numerator. 2 8 are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 2. 17 by 2 minus. Again I multiply whole number and denominator, natural number and denominator. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 5, 29 divided by 8. Once again children see how it will come 17 by 2. So we multiply natural number 8 and denominator. 8 2 are 16. That product we add to numerator. 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus, then 8 3 are denominator and natural number. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 5 29 by 8. In the next step, we took LCM. LCM for denominator. We took LCM for denominators. Here the denominators are 2 and 8. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 2 and 8 is 8. Here the expression, how it becomes 8. So 2, 8. I will divide these two numbers, 2 and 8, I will divide from 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Then again 1 as it is, right? So 2 2 ja 4. Then again, so 2 1 ja 2. Now I multiply 1 1 2 2 2. So 1 into 1 1, 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now first fraction 17 by 2. 17 by 2 I will multiply and divide from 4. I will multiply and divide from 4. So 17 by 2 into 4 by 4. So 17 4 ja 68 divided by 2 4 ja 8. So then 68 divided by 8. 68 divided by 8 minus then 29 by 8 as it is, because there is no change in the denominator. That's why I write as it is, 29 by 8. So I will convert it into like fraction. In unlike fraction, I will convert it into like fractions. Now 68 minus 29 divided by 8. 68 minus 29 divided by 8. These two numbers difference is, when we subtract 29 from 68, the difference is 39. 39 divided by 8. Now we move to the third operation, that is multiplication. Children, here is the example for multiplication. The first problem, 7 into 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5. 7 is natural number. 3 by 5 is fraction. When we multiply 7 and 3 by 5 here, the product is 21 by 5. 21 by 5. So I multiply 7 and 3, 21. And this here, in this number, 1 is there. 7 by 1. Understood? That is understood. So 1 into 5, 5. Now this is improper fraction, children. 21 by 5 is an improper fraction because numerator is more than denominator. So that's why I will convert it into mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. I subtract that 20 from 21. The remainder is 1. That remainder, it comes to numerator place here. Now, how we can write 4 1 by 5? 4 is natural number, 1 by 5 is proper fraction. Proper fraction, in proper fraction, numerator is less than its denominator. Here, 1 is less than 5. Okay, so when we convert 21 by 5 into mixed fraction, the answer is 4 1 by 5. Now move to second problem. So 5 into 2 by 9. 5 into 2 by 9. So 5 2 are 10 divided by 9. So this is also improper fraction. So this one also I will convert it into mixed fraction. 9 1 ja 9, 10 minus 9, again 1 remainder. Again 1 remainder. So that one comes to numerator place. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 9. Here, so 1 is natural number and 1 by 9 is proper fraction. So 10 by 9, when we convert into improper fraction, mixed fraction, so the answer is 1 1 by 9. Now children, move to the one more problem. 5 by 2 into 6. 5 by 2 into 6. First I will reduce, I will cancel it. 6 and 6 cancel from 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 3 are 6. It cancel. Now I will multiply 5 and 3. I will multiply 5 and 3. The product is 15. The product is 15. 5 3 are 15. See once again, 5 by 2 into 6. I will cancel 6 from 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. Now I will multiply these two numbers. 5 and 3. 5 3 are 15. Okay. So one more example. 15 into 3 by 5. 15 into 3 by 5. Here also I will cancel 15 from 5. So 5 1 are 5. 5 3 are 15. 5 3 are 15. Now I multiply these two numbers. We multiply in fraction, we multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. We cannot multiply numerator the same fraction denominator. We cannot multiply like that. We cannot multiply 5 2 ja. We can multiply 5 3 ja like this. Okay. Numerator, numerator number we can multiply. We cannot multiply the same fraction numerator and denominator. We cannot multiply. So 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 15. So 3 3 are 9. The answer is 9. So here one more type of problem. Find 1 by 2 of 24. Children, here half means multiply. We can multiply. O of means multiply. So 1 by 2 into 24. 1 by 2 into 24. Half means multiple sign in that. Okay, here 1 by 2 into 24. Now I cancel 24 from 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 12 are 24. 2 12 are 24. So now I multiply these two numbers. 1 into 12, 12. 1 12 are 12. 12. So one more example. So 2 by 3 of 27. 2 by 3 of 27. So half means multiple sign. We multiply. So 2 by 3 into 27. So here I will cancel 27 from 3. 27 from 3. So 3 1 are 3. 3 9 are 27. 3 1 are 3. 3 9 are 27. So now I will multiply these two numbers now. 2 9 are 18. Children, now we move to the last operation of math, that is division. Okay children, now we move to the fourth operation, so that is division. First we divide 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 by 3 by 4. So first we write 12 divided by 3 by 4 in the first step. In the second step, so 12 into, we write the reciprocal for 3 by 4. Reciprocal for 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. We know that the numerator when it comes to denominator, denominator moves to numerator. So the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now I will cancel 12 from 3. So 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. Now I will multiply these two numbers, 4 and 4. 4 4 are 16. Okay. Now move to one more example. So 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. In the next step, 3 divided by. So this mixed fraction I convert into improper fraction. So I multiply denominator and natural number 3 2 ja 6. That product add to numerator. 6 plus 1 7 by 3 as it is. Okay. Then 3 divided by 7 by 3. In the next step, for the denominator, so we find the reciprocal. We took the reciprocal for denominator. This is 7 by 3. Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So 3 into 3 by 7. So 3 into 3 by 7. Now 3 3 are 9 divided by 7. 3 3 are 9 divided by 7 as it is. So this improper fraction I converted into mixed fraction. 7 1 ja 7. 9 minus 7 2 remainder. That 2 move to numerator. So 1 2 by 7. 1 2 by 7. So 1 is natural number, 2 by 7 is proper fraction. Okay. Thank you children.